how to unblock someone on WhatsApp. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 different ways to unblock people within the WhatsApp app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first way to unblock someone on WhatsApp is going to be to simply open up a chat with that person. So I'm going to open up this chat right here. And at the bottom, you'll see unblock. You can also just select their name at the very top. And when you do that, you'll also see unblock if you go all the way to the bottom. So all you would need to do is select unblock, and that will unblock that person. Now, additionally, you can see a full list of everyone you've blocked on WhatsApp by opening up the settings. And on an iPhone, you open the settings by selecting settings in the bottom menu. On an Android phone, you simply expand the menu in the top left, and then you'll see settings in the menu, select settings. Once you get the settings open, to unblock someone, select privacy, then scroll down, go to contacts, and then in contacts, you'll see blocked. Select that. It'll show you a full list of everyone you've blocked. All you need to do is select edit in the top right, and then select the red symbol next to the person that you want to unblock and confirm you want to unblock them by selecting it. It'll then remove them from your blocked list, and they are no longer blocked on WhatsApp. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.